Hello kids, how are you? I hope you all are good. Today we are going to start with a new chapter number 3, that is storage in computer. Now, what do you mean by storage? As we store our important stuff in cupboards, racks, study tables, similarly we store our data in the computer, so we need storage devices. We'll learn about that in our chapter today. So let's begin with why is storage needed in a computer? Types of storage devices, primary memory, secondary memory, memory measurement. So let's just start the chapter.
Can we also store our documents in a computer? Yes, of course. A storage device is any computing hardware that is used for storing, porting and extracting data files and objects. It can hold and store information both temporarily and permanently, and can be internal or external to a computer, server or any similar computing device. A storage device may also be known as a storage medium or storage media. Why is storage needed in a computer? Without a storage device, a computer cannot save or remember any settings or information and would be considered a dumb terminal. Although a computer can run with no storage device, it would only be able to view information unless it was connected to another computer that had storage capabilities. Even a task such as browsing the internet requires information to be stored on the computer. Types of storage devices. Primary memory. It is also called as the main memory of the computer. It stores the instructions, operating system and data which is required to run the computer. There are two types of primary memories. RAM. ROM. RAM. It performs both read and write operations on memory. It stores data temporarily. If power failures happened in the system during memory access, then you will lose your data permanently. So, RAM is a volatile memory. RAM categorized into following types. 1. DRAM. 2. SRAM. ROM. ROM stands for read-only memory. It stores information that can only be read. Modifying the data is difficult. ROM is also a type of non-volatile storage, which means that the information is stored even if the component loses power. There are few basic ROM types. 1. PROM. 2. EPROM. 3. EPROM, electrically erasable programmable read-only memory. 4. Flash EPROM memory. Secondary memory. The storage devices in the computer or connected to the computer are known as secondary memory of the computer. It is non-volatile in nature, so it permanently stores the data even when the computer is turned off. The CPU can't directly access the secondary memory. First, the secondary memory data is transferred to primary memory, then CPU can access it. The hard disk, optical disk and pen drive are some of the popular examples of secondary memory or storage of computer. Hard disk drive. Hard disk drive is made up of a series of circular disks called platters arranged one over the other almost a half inches apart around a spindle. Disks are made of non-magnetic material like aluminum alloy and coated with 10 to 20 mm of magnetic material. CD drive. CD stands for compact disc. CDs are circular disks that use optical rays, usually lasers, to read and write data. They are very cheap, as you can get 700 megabytes of storage space for less than 50 rupees. CDs are inserted in CD drives built into CPU cabinet. They are portable, as you can eject the drive, remove the CD and carry it with you. DVD drive. DVD stands for Digital Versatile Disc. DVD are optical devices that can store 15 times the data held by CDs. They are usually used to store rich multimedia files that need high storage capacity. DVDs also come in three varieties: read-only, recordable, and rewritable. Pen drive. Pen drive is a portable memory device that uses solid-state memory rather than magnetic fields or lasers to record data. It uses a technology similar to RAM, except that it is non-volatile. It is also called USB drive, key drive or flash memory. Blu-ray disc. Blu-ray disc is an optical storage media used to store high-definition video and other multimedia files. It uses shorter wavelength as compared to CD/DVD. This enables writing arm to focus more tightly on the disk and hence pack in more data. It can store up to 128 gigabytes data. Memory measurement. The data is measured in terms of bits in the memory. A bit is a single binary value that may be 0 or 1. A nibble is a group of 4 bits. A byte is a group of 8 bits and is equal to 1 character.